Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. So in today's video we'll be comparing the Sony EX155 AP with Sony EX255 AP, which I've reviewed recently. And as you can see that these earphones are from the EX series, so they come in same kind of packaging, and no matter what color you buy you will get these in white boxes. The EX155 AP come with 9mm drivers and 255 AP come with 12mm drivers, and both these earphones are stereo earphones and they come with noise isolation. On both these earphones you will find this 1 year warranty label, and it's clearly mentioned on the label that you have to keep these boxes safely just to claim warranty in a hazard-free manner. And then on the top corner of these boxes you will find these Sony hologram just to make sure that these are genuine product. The price mentioned on EX255 AP is 1990, and you will get these for around 1699 on Amazon, while the price mentioned on EX155 AP is 1290, and you will get these for around 1000 or 1099 on Amazon depending on the discount. One thing I would like to mention here is that both of these earphones are made in Thailand. These are not made in China, and there is a gap of around 600 rupees between these two earphones. So let's find out whether EX255 AP is worth the extra investment. So these earphones have the same packaging style and same box contents. Like with these you get 3 extra pair of ear tips. One pair is already attached to the plastic mold and these are the 2 extra ones. Then with these you get these kind of cable managing clips. I don't know how many people actually use them. And at last you get paperwork, which is exactly the same. When you will compare these earphones side by side, then you will notice that the EX255 AP have a slightly bigger size as compared to 155 AP, and this is mainly because of the bigger 12mm drivers as compared to 9mm on 155 AP. Apart from that, these earphones are extremely beautiful to look at, whether you buy the white color which comes in white silver combination or you buy the black color which comes in dark gray and black combination. If you will look at these earphones closely, then you will notice that the wire coming out of these earbuds is more thick on EX255 AP, which in my opinion gives it more durability and more strength. As both these earphones are AP models, AP means with microphone. So in Sony, if you're buying any earphone and it's written AP in front of it, it means it's coming with a microphone. So both these earphones are AP model. They come with a microphone with a single button with standard features like single click to play and pause a song, double click to go to the next track, and triple click to come back to the previous track. Then as you will move down further, you will find this sort of a cable managing ring, and the point from where the earphone is dividing into left and right, you will find the model number of the earphone and also Thailand, which I told you in the beginning that both these earphones are made in Thailand. As you will move down along the cable, you will notice that EX255 AP has a slightly more thick cable as compared to EX155 AP, and also if you will have a look at the 3.5mm jack, it's slightly more thicker on 255 as compared to 155. So overall I can say that EX255 definitely has a better build quality. The overall cable feels more sturdy and definitely they will be more durable for a long amount of time. So this is the sample audio that is being recorded on EX155 AP in outdoor conditions. By outdoor I mean that this time I'm not recording this in my room. I'm rather standing on my balcony, so it has all that sort of sounds that are present in the atmosphere, the sound of traffic and everything else. Now this is the sample audio which is being recorded on EX255 AP, and this one is also recorded in the outdoor environment. I hope you will clearly get the difference which one is better. Do let me know in the comment section below. So now coming on to the most important part, which is the audio quality. So first of all, for the price, both these earphones have an excellent audio and I don't have any sort of major complaints with any of them. Now if I talk about the EX155 AP, so these are extremely small and very compact earphones, and if you are someone whose ears are too sensitive and you feel a lot of pain after using earphones for a long amount of time, then these are the ones that you should go for. For a price of 1099, these earphones have an excellent audio. The overall audio experience is very rich. The treble is very good. The vocals are very good. The bass is also very good, but as these are not bass oriented earphones, so you should not expect too much from these. But overall they have a decent bass, and if I compare them with JBL T210, which are pure bass earphones from JBL, then these sound much better. I have already made a comparison between these and JBL T210, so don't forget to check that out. Now if I talk about the EX255 AP, so these are a serious upgrade to EX155 AP. So first of all, these are more loud, the treble is more loud, the bass is more loud, and the overall experience, I mean the overall sound experience is very rich on these as compared to EX155 AP. The sound coming out of these is very solid. I mean you feel that solid bass and solid audio. Apart from that, when I reviewed these earphones, I didn't notice
that it was written on the box as stereo earphones, but in my audio review of these earphones I said that these earphones have a very good stereo. But now actually when I was comparing both of these, I found that it's written on the box that these are stereo earphones. Now what is actually stereo earphones? So first of all, there is nothing as a stereo earphones in my opinion. It's always the stereo sound, a kind of sound that is recorded on two channels so that you can differentiate what is the sound coming out from the left side and what is coming out from the right side and different parts of your head. So that stereo effect is very prominent on these earphones, and whenever you are watching YouTube videos, movies, or playing games like PUBG, you will really love the audio coming out from these. Apart from that, as both these earphones are Sony earphones, so they have that special kind of Sony sound, like that chan chan effects are very prominent on both of these. In my opinion, if you have slightly more budget, then definitely go for EX255AP rather than buying EX155AP. Apart from that, the next video will be coming on the EX255AP versus Sony XP55AP, which is the extra bass earphone, and I think that's going to be an interesting one. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.